How to boost FPS and fix lag on Roblox. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple to fix the lag and boost the FPS. Go to any server on Roblox. For example, I'm gonna choose this server right here and go to the top corner, click on Roblox settings right here. On this bar you will find four options. Go to the second one, it's called settings, and then click on it and then scroll down and make sure to make the graphics quality as lower as possible like this, and then go back to people and click on receipt character, and now click on it and wait a few seconds until your character is gonna be reseated, and then the Roblox lag is gonna be fixed. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.